Hey churches, my name is Sommer.
Hey churches, my name's Ben.
Hey churches, my name is Abi.
And we are your Grizzly team captains for Blizzard 2025.
We are so excited to spend the weekend with you up in the beautiful, massive Muskoka.
Make sure you bring as much of our team color that you can, which is orange.
This could be clothes, streamers, noisemakers, posters, you name it.
The more orange you have, the more points we can get for the Grizzlies.
This year, we've got Mike Gordon coming in as our speaker and Life Support as our band. We know he's already working in you, and so we pray that you'll have ears to listen and hearts to accept what he has for you.
Alongside our awesome sessions, we're going to be having some great opportunities for free to choose.
Some being tubing, cross-country skiing, chill zone, sports, rock climbing, and more.
We cannot wait for what is in store. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at blizzard@baptist.ca.
Can't wait to see you at Blizzard 2025. It's going to be legendary.
I can't wait to see you all at Blizzard 2025. It's going to be amazing.
We can't wait to see you up in Muskoka. It's gonna be legendary.